at Interchange, we are trying to compose ideas from many different people that we just met at that occasion. What I learned from Interchange is that my team progress is my responsibility. Taking care of my surroundings and making them feel comfortable to work in our team is actually my responsibility too.
Gain a lot of entrepreneurship skill sets, which applies to my current semester, so technology innovation management. Other soft skill sets like leadership skill sets, communications, and public speaking skill sets. On top of that, due to all the hard work that I make, I was also the best team member in the Interchange 2021. I highly recommend people to join this workshop is because, it's just not just gaining some of the entrepreneur skill set, but also get to know other people throughout other universities, not just UTS.
I never knew many great people there giving a really good mentorship if I didn't join Interchange at the time. So it's a really great experience. For me who experienced virtually, it already has been like a great experience. So like I can imagine if you can do it physically, it will be like more fun and has like better dynamics. I'm really excited to see other batch of Interchange with their really amazing ideas.
I hope to see all of you join this program. Thank you very much.